Tim Albright with AVNation at ISE 2024 with my good friend Brian McClimans from Peerless AV. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Love being over here.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We are standing in front of a gorgeous LED wall.
Yep.
Which we're talking about. You guys have worked in the seamless line for a number of years. This is seamless bespoke. So talk about this for a second.
Yes. So we created the seamless DV LED solutions about 5 years ago, and we keep advancing it each and every year. So this is our newest solution that can do curves and corners, you know, as you see above us.
Yeah.
And what makes it unique is you don't need the wall. We're the wall. So we create the wall in the location, because in many cases the trades can't hold the tolerances that you need for some of the tight pixel pitches. So you see some of the LED manufacturers out there with 0.6 millimeter pixel pitch. You have to be so precise with making sure that the mounting structure aligns so you don't see the seams, and walls can't do it, trades can't do it. And we can do that by building the wall in front of the wall.
All right. You also had the seamless universal?
Yes, so we launched the universal solution last year at ISE, and now we have a brand new spacer kit that's universal, because we need to be able to support all the different brands that are out there with their LEDs, and there is no such thing as a VESA standard on LED. So we have to be that VESA standard within the mounting structure, and so that's what we do.
Okay, so you mentioned something there. You can't, there's no VESA. You're
Right.
100% right. You guys, though, have an application on your website where somebody can go in and go, oh, I have this LED and this pitch, help me build a wall.
Yes. So we have a team of product managers and engineers that are always working to get the latest information from the LED brands that we support, and we make sure that we put that on the website so that we can help the integrators make them look like an expert.
Yeah.
And our whole quoting tool, we're now printing out, we actually are using pre-programmed designs to produce actually schematics for those. So
Cool.
we're trying to use, we haven't gone all the way to AI yet with that, but because we have people doing it, but we're going to get there.
Okay. Something else you're showing off in the booth that I find fascinating is, because it's based on customer feedback, right? You're talking to end users, you're talking to IT directors, and they gave you feedback and you reimagined your cart line.
Yep, that exactly. You know, you wouldn't think that there's something new that could come out of carts. You know, we've been doing it for years.
Yes.
All of us used to be in the AV club, pushing our carts with the CRTs down and hope there wasn't the
CRTs. I had a freaking film projector.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
And so what we did is we created a new solution that has the cable pre-wired in there, kind of nice with magnets holding in the, you know, any of the cables. So what we did is we have a new solution, and we're trying to make it as green as possible. So we're shrinking the packaging, we're shrinking the weight of it, so we can get more on a truck, more on a container, easier for people to stock, less packaging. So we're trying to make sure we're efficient with our designs.
All right, very good. Couple different sizes on that, plus the ability to mount equipment behind it.
Yes, and we're even adding in a little cover so that you can hide any kind of the media player or any technology, because you know, you're seeing a lot of these offices that are now these huddle rooms, they're glass, they're cubes.
Yeah.
You don't want to see all the wires. The wires aren't pretty. And so, you know, we hide them.
All right, very good. Brian, somebody wants to find out more about Peerless AV, how to do that?
You can either contact your local salesperson within your country or visit our website, peerless-av.com.
All right, Brian McClimans from Peerless AV. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we bring you more videos from the show floor of ISE 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.